Hello everyone, myself Monica. Today I want to share my views on Kisan Bill or agricultural bill. As you all know that Kisan Bill is very important topic as the economical perspective. Okay, and I want to share my views on related terms about Kisan Bill or some bills that is correlated with Kisan Bill. Okay, and like Kisan Ordinance Bill, APMC Bill, or MSP and some other terms also. Okay, and first of all, I want to say that if you are the first viewer of my channel, then please subscribe my channel. Okay, so starting with the topic Kisan Bill. What is Kisan Bill? Kisan Bill is a right to all the farmers. Right to all the farmers. It is a right to all the farmers to obtain an assured, it is an assured remunerative price upon sale of agricultural produce. Two types of it is a right to all farmers and it is an assured remunerative price upon sale of agricultural produce. Okay, so it is the Kisan Bill. Now the second one is Kisan Ordinance Bill. What does you mean Kisan Ordinance Bill? Okay, ordinance means authoritative right. Okay, so Kisan Ordinance Bill is a right to all the farmers. Okay, there are 3 points in this bill. That first one is the Farmer Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Ordinance. Second one is APMC, and third one is Electronic Trading of Agriculture. Here, the first one is Trade and Commerce, Farmer Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation means that farmers are to allowed intra-state and interstate trading. Okay, for their cultural sale or marketing. Okay, and second one is APMC, Agricultural Produce Market Committee. Okay, what does it authorize? APMC, it removes the barrier to interstate trade. Okay, and third one is electronic trading of agriculture. Government provide a framework for electronic trading of agriculture. So these are 3 points in this bill. And the third one is APMC. What does APMC bill introduce here? Okay, APMC bill, here are 2 points are available here. APMC bill removes restriction on the sale of agricultural produce, thereby allowing private individual to set up trade market where farmers can sell. Okay, the second one is the Land Reform Bill. Okay, first point is APMC bill removes, it relax restrictions. ओके, प्रतिबंध हटा दिए गए किस पर से? ऑन द सेल ऑफ एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोड्यूस, देयर बाय अलाउइंग एंड APMC और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट अलाउ प्राइवेट इंडिविजुअल्स टू सेट अप ट्रेड मार्केट, व्यापारिक बाजार शुरू किया जाए वेयर फार्मर्स कैन सेल, जहाँ पर किसान एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोडक्ट बेचते हैं. Okay, the Land Reform Bill allow non-agriculturist. The second point is the Land Reform Bill introduced here. And what does it allow? Government allow? The Land Reform Bill allow non-agriculturalist, ऐसे person जिनका profession agriculture नहीं है, that person who has not a profession of agriculture, to buy agricultural land and remove the income limit for purchase of land. It means that that person who has not a profession of agriculture, they have a allowance to take a land of agriculture without the limit of income for the purchase of land. They have no limit to the purchase of land. Okay, so APMC, when did the APMC established? The full description of here the APMC has to be given, and here the question has to be built that give the full form of 1 marks. Give the full form of APMC, Agricultural Produce Market Committee. Okay, so what is APMC? It is a marketing board established by state government. There are 2 points here. That first one is it is a marketing board, and who established it? It is established by state government in India. What are its two perspective? Its two perspective is, number one, to ensure farmers are safeguarded from exploitation by large retailers. Okay. Number, as well as ensuring the farm to retail price spread does not reach excessively high level. Number one, the first point is that farmers are to be safeguarded. They are safe from the exploitation by large retailer. Who are the wholesalers? Because wholesaler exploit it. Large retailers exploit it. Exploit the farmers. So APMC, what is the purpose of APMC? The purpose of APMC is that to ensure farmers are safeguarded from the exploitation by large retailers. And number two, to ensuring the farm to retail price spread does not reach excessively high levels. Okay, that retail price, maximum price is not ought to be high level. There is no maximum price, there is a minimum price. Okay, it is the purpose of APMC. Okay, like that. Number two, presently market in agricultural product are regulated under the Agricultural Produce Committee APMC Act. There is a act is passed, enacted by state government. I repeated, that act is passed and enacted by state government. Agricultural Produce Marketing Committee Act is passed. Okay. Okay, and there are about 2477 principal regulated markets based on geography, APMCs, and 4843 sub-market yard regulated by the respective APMCs in India. What does this mean? This means that an act is passed by the state government to regulate the agricultural products for the farmers. Okay, and market is done by the state government for the welfare of the farmers. And there are big market, regulated market, principal regulated market 2477, and on the geographical base, क्षेत्र के आधार पर, and sub market means small market. Okay, that is 4843 market. सब मार्केट में स्मॉल मार्केट, इट मीन्स दैट बड़ी मार्केट कितनी थी 2477 एंड सब मार्केट स्मॉल मार्केट कितनी थी 4843. ओके, इंडिया में. ठीक है, लाइक दैट. नोट here I have some points. Why the farm bill is important? Why the farm bill or Kisan bill? It is correlated. Okay, government stays positive on the impact of farm bill when cooperators and exporters directly engage with the farmers. It will incentive cooperates to invest in the agri ecosystem and gives farmer better access to modern technology. What does this mean? This means that cooperators or exporters are engaged with the farmers and they want to invest in agri ecosystem and give farmers better modern technology. There are 2 points. Okay, that exporters are engaged with farmers. Why? Because they want to give incentives. Why they want to give incentives? They want to give incentives to being the strong economical power in agriculture and to give better modern technology. Okay. Number 2. What is the next farm bill? What is the new farm bill 2019? Okay, it is related to USA. Okay. The passage of 2019 Farm Bill is good news because it provides a strong safety net for farmers and ranchers who need the dependency and certainly this legislation afford agricultural security, Sony Perdue said in this statement after bill passed in the House. Its main purpose is to make safety for the farmers. Its main purpose to give safety for the farmers. Okay, by assuring, by passing the bill, Farm Bill 2019. Okay. Number 3, what was the first Farm Bill? Okay, and when it can be acted? Okay, the Agricultural Adjustment Act. The first Farm Bill was the Agricultural Adjustment Act. Here in this topic there are many questions of 1 marks. Okay, so please listen carefully. Okay, what was the first Farm Bill? क्या था फर्स्ट फार्म बिल? द एग्रीकल्चरल एडजस्टमेंट बिल. Okay, the first farm bill, the Agricultural Adjustment Act, was enacted in 1933. कब एक्ट में आया? 1933. In response to the economical hardship faced by US farmer. As I said earlier that it is correlated with US farmers as a result of a pair of major catastrophes. Catastrophes means disaster has to be done with the farmers. To overcome with the disasters, economical hardships, the Farm Bill has to be established. It is first of all established in 1933 in USA for the welfare of the US farmers. Okay, and the name of the first Farm Bill is the Agricultural Adjustment Act. Okay, number 4, 3 agri bills. In India, 3 agri bills is to be made, and these are: 1 bill, relax restriction governing purchases and sale of farm produce. Okay, here there is a relaxation on the restriction. कोई प्रतिबंध नहीं लगाया गया. ओके, गवर्निंग परचेजेस एंड सेल ऑफ फार्म प्रोड्यूस, एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोड्यूस के बेचने पर और खरीदने पर कोई भी रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं लगाई गई. नंबर 2, द सेकेंड रिलैक्सेशन, रिस्ट्रिक्शन ऑन स्टॉकिंग अंडर द एसेंशियल Commodities Act ECA 1955. Here the question of 1 marks has to be built, that on which act the restriction on stocking was to be made. The restriction on stocking under the Essential Commodity Acts ECA 1955 has to be made. As I have said earlier that many types of question has to be made here of 1 marks. Okay, so the third one is, the third introduced a dedicated legislation to enable contract farming based on written agreements. Contract farming, there is a agreement between farmers and other buyers. Okay, and it is a written agreement in between them. These are the 3 agri bills, and the 3 bills need to be read together. Now, number 5. Who is the first farmer of India? It is the very important question, that who is the first farmer of India? The discoveries in Lahura Deva site. Also, it is the question of 1 marks as an examination point of view. The discoveries in Lahora Deva site also indicate that Middle Ganga Valley would have been home of the first farmer. Previously, it was believed that agriculture began in West Asia in a region known as the Fertile Crescent with the domestication of barley and wheat. What does this mean? This means that Lahura Deva site is a site where in which it belongs Middle Ganga Valley. Middle Ganga Valley. It is the home of first farmer. Okay, and previously it was believed that agriculture began in West Asia in the region. West Asia में agriculture शुरू हुआ as the fertile crescent with the domestication of barley and wheat. कौन सी फसलें लगाई गई? Barley और wheat. Okay. Now, note here I have some terms related to related to agricultural products which are to be facilitated to the farmers. Okay, like number 1, MSP. Here the question has to be made of 1 marks, that give the full form of 1 marks or give the definition of 1 marks or what is the MSP. Okay, so what is MSP? MSP means minimum support price. MSP means minimum support price. It is the price at which government purchases crops from the farmers. एक ऐसा प्राइस, एक ऐसा दाम जिस पे गवर्नमेंट फार्मर से अनाज खरीदती है, फसलें खरीदती है. वट मे बी द प्राइस फॉर द क्रॉप्स. Minimum support price is an important part of India's agricultural price policy. It is the important part of the India's agricultural policy. MSP helps to incentives the farmers and thus ensure adequate food grains production in the country. Okay, as I said to earlier that it facilitate the Kisan bills are to facilitate the farmers. Okay, and MSP is the part of it. Okay, and what is MSP? It is the price at which government purchase crops. गवर्नमेंट जिस दाम पर गवर्नमेंट फसलें खरीदती है वो MSP प्राइस, मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस कहलाता है. एंड इट इज द इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ India's agricultural price policy. Okay, here the question has arisen, which is the important part of India's agricultural price policy? MSP. Okay, and it helps the incentive the farmers. It helps to facilitate the farmers to ensure to adequate food. अच्छा भोजन मिले, अच्छा अनाज मिले to the development of the economical power. Okay, now the next question is, who fixes MSP in India? Based on the recommendation of Commission, who fixes MSP in India? The Department of Agriculture and Cooperation, Government of India declares minimum support price MSP for 22 crops before their sowing season. किसके रिकमेंडेशन पर? कमीशन for agricultural cost and price. Based on the recommendation of the Commission for Agricultural Cost and Price, the Department of Agriculture and Cooperation, Government of India declares maximum support price for 22 crops. 22 crops के लिए before their sowing season, उनके बोने से पहले ही जो है प्राइस को फिक्स कर लिया जाता है. ठीक है, फॉर विच डिपार्टमेंट? डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चरल एंड कॉपरेशन, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया डिक्लेयर कर दिया जाता है प्राइस, मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस फॉर 22 क्रॉप्स. ओके, लाइक दैट. नंबर 3. Okay, before starting this question, I want to share that if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel, and I hope that you like this video. Okay, now the question number 3, how MSP is calculated? There is a theory, there is a formula from which the MSP is calculated. This in the theory help farmers from price volatility. The government presently calculate the minimum support price based on A2 plus FL method. This is the method, A2 plus FL method. Okay, here the question has a reason of 1 number or 2 number, that give the method from which the MSP is calculated. So this method is based on A2 plus FL, and the Swaminathan Commission had however stated that MSP should be based on comprehensive cost of production, which is the C2 method. Comprehensive cost, large amount of cost. ठीक है, MSP should be based on comprehensive cost of production, which is the C2 method. It is called C2 method. It means imputed rent, imputed cost of farmers' labor. Okay, like that. So it is based on the MSP is calculated through the theory of A2 plus FL method. Okay, number 4, when was MSP started? It is belong to the time when the Green Revolution was started in 1960s, and there is a food service and prevent shortage. Okay, there is a shortage of food that time, and the MSP system finally started in 1966 to 67 for wheat. First of all, here the question of 1 marks is provided, that when did it started and for which crop. MSP system finally started in 1966 and 1966 to 1967 for wheat, and was expanded further to include other essential food crops also. It means that MSP system finally started in 1966 to 1967 for wheat. Okay. Now the other one is, what is C2 in MSP? What is C2 in MSP? C2 means comprehensive cost. It includes, in comprehensive cost, what is it included? In comprehensive cost included imputed cost of family labor, imputed rent of owned land, imputed interest on owned capital. This is the definition of comprehensive cost. C2, imputed cost of family labor, imputed rent of owned land, and imputed interest on owned capital. Okay, National Commission on Farmers head by MS Swaminathan recommended on a 50% margin over C2, which is being the demand of the farmers. It is all depend on the demand of the farmers, and it is the mutual decision, both of these. ठीक है, and it is the 50% margin, and commission was headed by MS Swaminathan. Here the question of 1 marks has to be held. Okay, that commission on farmers, who headed the, okay, MS Swaminathan. Okay, so it is the C2 in MSP. How many crops are under MSP? How many crops? CACP recommends MSP of 23 commodities, which compromises 7 cereals, okay, 5 pulses, 7 oil seeds, and 4 commercial crops. 7 cereal means paddy, wheat, maize, sorghum, pearl, millet, barley, and ragi. And 5 pulses, gram, tur, moong, urd, and lentil. And 7 oil seed, groundnut, rapeseed, mustard, soybean, simum, sunflower, or safflower flower, singer seed. And 4 commercial crops, copra, sugarcane. Okay, so this is the some point of view on Kisan Bill, and some important things that is interrelated to Kisan Bill. If you like my video,